Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back to your channel. And I hope you guys are doing well. And we have conducted multiple sessions on the same topic a lot of times for everybody. But this is another reminder for all of you how you can bag a brilliant job opportunity with Axis Bank with a salary of 6.5 lakhs per annum plus, I mean 6.5 plus, okay? And plus there is incentive, plus there are other brilliant health benefits and all of that. I mean other benefits in terms of health insurance and other stuff that you get as an Axis employee. But why are you watching this session again? So I would first tell you to remember the basics. You can get a job with Axis Bank, okay? Your starting grade would be deputy manager with Axis Bank. Your designation would be relationship manager. Your starting salary could be between 6.3 lakhs per annum to, okay, this I knew this is going to happen, so just give me a second. Yeah. So as I was telling you, your starting salary could be 6.3 to 6.8 lakhs per annum. Okay. Now you need to know one more thing. Plus there's good incentive, which is performance based. So as good as well as you can perform, that much of an incentive you can get. Now all of this is what you will get in this particular opportunity. But how will you get closer to this opportunity? For that, you need to first of all understand what is the eligibility criteria. Because look, 7 lakhs plus salary, a manager level job, such a big organization, the third biggest bank of your country. All these things, they do not just go to any random person. You have to know that this belongs to a person who is capable, who is dedicated, who wants to improve their, career route, who wants to become someone because of their skilling, because of their potential, because of how clear-headed they are when it comes to their career. Because a lot of times I have seen students, they are in like multiple confusions. They are in sort of a dilemma. So somebody wants to earn a lot of money, somebody wants a lot of comfort, somebody wants big position. But when you talk about real hard work, when you talk about real effort, then a lot of times you can see that that is missing. So now we are talking to people who actually genuinely and really want to upgrade their skill set, who really want to upgrade their lifestyle, and people who really definitely want to kind of protect their career in terms of the future also. Like this is 2025, but there is so much competition out there. What is going to happen in 2026, 27, 28, 30, 40, 50? How are you going to protect your job? How are you going to prove yourself that you are better than that competitor who already exists in the market? So in all these cases, you need to just understand that the program that I'm talking about, first of all, that program is called Priority Banking Relationship Manager. So Priority Banking Relationship Manager, this is a program which is a 1-year course, and this is a program by Axis Bank and Career 24/7 team. In this program, how can you enroll yourself? Okay, because the moment you complete this course, you get a full-time job with Axis Bank, you get the salary, you get the incentive, and then you become a part of the banking industry of our country, correct? Now, first of all, please write it down, pay good attention to the eligibility criteria that I'm talking about. If you want to apply to this program, you must have a minimum 6-month work experience. Now, 6-month work experience in any field, okay? Doesn't matter if you're a teacher, if you are, let's say, in graphic designing, or if, let's say, you are a video editor, or if you are, let's say, in the advertising field, or wherever basically. You want to level up, you have been stuck at that salary of 15, 20,000, 22,000, and you have not been getting any promotion, so you do not see yourself becoming a manager anytime soon, but you really want to be a manager, then you will get a chance here, correct? So if you are stuck in any of that situations, any of that pay package, but you have that 6 month, 7 month, 1 year, 2 year, 4 years work experience, this is your opportunity to level up, okay? Any field is okay with us. Number two, your age bracket is 21 minimum to 28 maximum. You have to be minimum 21 years old, okay? So not less than 21 and not more than 28. All right, so you should not be more than 28 and not less than 21. Moving on, if we talk about your academic requirement, you need to have completed your graduation. You should be a graduate and you must have at least 50% academic score, overall score in that, okay? Now, it could be in any stream. Ye nahi sochna, you don't have to think that, this is an opportunity in the banking segment, so I need to come from some commerce background or finance background, etc. Nothing such has been asked for, but these are the basic things that you really need to fulfill. There's one more thing which will definitely help you in getting admission in this particular program and getting everything else that I've just told you about. That is going to be your confidence and your communication skills. So everybody, if you're interested in this particular opportunity, or if you know somebody who can actually get this job, who's good at communication, who fulfills all these criteria, then you please share this video with them. Now students, if you have all of these things, how do you apply for this program? As you all can see, we have attached a link in the chat box where you are writing your comments, right? So there you can attach, we have attached a link. So you have to fill that form. And the same link we have also pinned in the comment section, okay? In the comment section also, you can see the link. So if you're interested in this opportunity, click on one of the links and fill it with all your important details that have been asked for. If you think that there is somebody else who can really make use of this opportunity, then you share this video with that friend of yours. Now, let me tell you another very important thing. So, if you have 6 months of work experience and if you have graduation and 50%, don't assume that, hamara to admission ho jayega, I will positively get admission. That's not going to happen, my friend, because there is an entrance process. As I said, no random person can come and get this opportunity. We need people who are dedicated, who are clear-headed, who are absolutely sure that I have to learn this entire skill set, let's say the entire skill set of sales in banking, because relationship managers core profile is that of sales. Ye bhi, you have to know it very clearly. This is a job of sales. So if they ask you, are you interested in doing sales? Don't say, no, I don't want to do sales. I want to be manager. That's not how you roll, okay? Now, moving on, in the entrance process, there are only 3 simple steps, which are not really a big deal. If you are clear, if you're dedicated, and if you let our team help you at the right time, then you can easily clear those steps or that process. Sabse pehle, you have to give an online test about which my team will give you entire guidance. Number 2, you have to if you clear this step, then you have to appear for a panel interview. This panel interview will be conducted by Career 24/7 team. All right. And then when you clear this level of interview, this would be your final step, the last panel interview, which you have to give to Axis Bank's team. This is the 3-step entrance process that you'll have to clear, and that is why I want you all to have good communication skills. Again, communication is not only about speaking in English, it is basically about being confident, being able to answer the questions to the point that are being asked to you, having the presence of mind, having that personality strategy that you use in your best performances when you really want to impress somebody. Because again, when you are going to be a part of such a big bank and you are going to be that particular point of connection between the client and the bank, then of course you have to be the most impressive person. Be it your appearance, be it your communication, be it your confidence, everything has to be top notch. So start working on that. It's not really a big deal. Okay, now moving on everyone, this was about the entrance. Now a lot of you must be thinking that ma'am is asking me to leave my job and go back to studies. What will happen to my salary? How will I earn? How can I sit for 1 year without earning? Let me tell you, that's not going to happen, because in this program you start earning while you're doing the program. You go to school, you pay the fees, but you don't earn. You earn knowledge, but you don't earn money, right? Similarly for all your engineering and MBA degrees also, right? You go to the college, you earn a lot of knowledge, but you do not have any funds that you're earning. So you're not earning money. But in this program, you earn knowledge, and along with that, you also start earning money during the program. So this 1-year course has been divided in 4 modules. The first module is called online training, which goes for 2 months. Then the next module is called on campus, and in the on campus module, your stay, your fooding, your studies, your lodging, everything would be taken care by us. You do not have to find any hostel PG or food auntie or whatever. You don't have to look for all of that. You just have to study and learn the best from the best mentors of the industry. So on campus program is again of 2 months. From here, you start earning 15,000 rupees per month. That means in 2 months, you'll be earning approximately 30,000 rupees in the 2 months on the on-campus module. Then after this, you go for your internship module. The third module is called internship, which is also for 2 months. And from the internship module, you start earning your full salary. You get a chance to intern with one of the branches of Axis Bank. And after you complete that internship, you have to complete your on-the-job training. So you can see that along with all the theoretical knowledge, how the team is focusing on your practical learning. They are teaching you to attend office, to meet your colleagues, to meet your juniors, seniors, build your network with those people. Along with that, you also get to meet your clients. You see how to do meetings, how to build your network, how to basically pitch, how to handle rejection, and every little and every big thing that matters in this field. So you are getting a chance to learn everything. In the on-the-job training, please write it down. This is a 6-month training period, and here also you get your full salary. So this program is filled with only good things. Yes, sometimes students do have that approach that I don't want to be a part of sales vertical, which is, I think, a little negative, because you are simply scared of hard work. You are maybe scared of rejection. Everybody comes and says, sales nahi ho paega, I can't do sales. People come and give you rejection. So what, man? If you're not going to do sales, you're going to do something else, and the same thing is involved everywhere. Instead, you should look at it that if in this phase of your life, where you're like 23, 24, 26 years old, you are at your youngest, and after this, you're just going to grow older. All that effort, all that youth, all that strength that you have today, you will not have that later. So put that into learning the best from the best. You are getting a chance to interact with people, learn from people, and then if you're really putting in the grind, you are growing your mind. So look at it from that perspective, and this is like the entire module or division of modules when we talk about the 1-year program. Everyone, talk about it to your parents in case you have any queries, any doubts. So write those queries down, and my team will call you after you have filled the form that has been attached in the chat box and in the top comment also. I want you to have your queries ready so that when the team calls you, you can ask all your doubts. Don't be scared. This is a big step that you're taking, but you're taking it for your own well-being. I mean, for your own growth. Because for how long are you going to clock in at 8 o'clock and clock out at 10 o'clock at night and still be earning like 18,000 rupees? I mean, your hard work, your potential, your smartness deserves something better. And this is your chance to give it that chance. Right, everybody? So I hope you guys are clear. If you look at this, if we do like the bare minimum calculation also as per, let's say, 6.3 lakhs per annum. If I do this calculation, you are earning in, let's say, 10 months, you are earning 2,94,000 rupees while you're doing this course. And the fees for the program is 2,65,000 rupees only. So you are recovering more than you are paying within 1 year, okay? And if in case you feel like I don't have 2,65,000, don't worry, because the bank will provide you loan facility as well. And you can pay back the loan from the 15th month. 12 months in the course, 3 more months are given to you, and from the 15th month, you can start paying the money back, which you will be taking as a loan from the bank. Okay, I hope I have actually answered a lot of your queries. But in case you have more questions, your parents have doubts, your siblings have any questions, do write it down so that the team, whenever they call you, you can ask all the questions and you can prepare for that online test and 2 panel interviews that we've discussed all. Thank you very much for your time. I'll be joining you guys with more such sessions on this channel. Don't forget to subscribe it, like it, share it. Thank you guys. Bye-bye.